Hello everyone. Today we will see a case study, another case study on DFMA. This is a case study has been picked up from a company called John Deere. We know that they make harvesting machines. This is a case study from their company. Okay, so they wanted to get into something called as Environmental Protection Agency. Okay, and they want to get it certified in that, and that required a lot of reductions in oxides and nitrogen in the non-road diesel engine. Basically, these people use it for harvesting, so we cannot do a lot of contamination there on the ground. Okay, on the fields. So this is one requirement there. Okay, now. In the case of one combined harvester fitting surrounding components to a new Tier 3 engine, the Deere engineers, they looked at, with their two company suppliers, they found a lot of cost analysis. Now, that cost analysis made them work on this, and then they found that the 3-tier engine was of a different size than the previous engine, and then the modification have to be made basically on the combined platform that was there. The basic platform have to be changed. So if so the major assembly slated for the redesign was the swing out landing deck. The landing deck is a place where people sit and then try and do the stand and do the maintenance. Now the entire device was turning from one side to the other, to the rear side, and it is at a height of around 6 feet from the ground. The service person can then pull out the ladder, climb up several steps to secure footing of the landing deck and attend to the equipment maintenance. So this swinging out door or the ladder is what they are trying to concentrate on. So next one, because of the change in the size, the new landing deck assembly had to be larger. Okay, the engineers wanted to increase the structural rigidity of the assembly and at least possible with a less cost. Okay, as work progressed on the new design, the team decided identified some cost challenges. So suddenly the cost goes up for no reason. Just because you are trying to do some a little extra rigidity, etc. The 8% of above the target cost. Second one was that was more concern. The supplier quote for the redesigned assembly was around 26% higher than the target. Okay, now they tried to work on this now. They found that they're in a fix now. They tried to use the DFMA software, and then that software helped them to analyze the lot of cost on this. The software helped them analyze the design for the landing deck and simplify the assembly to save the cost. DFMA brainstorming sessions with the design and the manufacturing engineers, supply management, and the suppliers for possible fabricating and assembling of the landing deck, it yielded around 83 design improvement ideas. Okay, so what they said is that we selected the landing deck for DFMA analysis because we had to take out the cost of the design without affecting the trueness of that, the integrity, and the software help us determine how to do that. Okay, so they also use a process to elicit cost reduction suggestions from the suppliers and get them engaged. Now, it is very clear that when we use the DFMA software, it really narrows down and then tells us that this is where the cost gets added up. Okay, now in the redesign, they follow three tactics. First one was they tried to shorten the deck sheet. Okay, then they strengthen the structural support, and the third one, they replace the ladder rails. Now, the landing deck sheet is a section of a perforated metal flooring, and the personnel had to stand on that while servicing the combine. Right now, addition to shorten the deck sheet means that the John Deere could get the length of this steel flooring more economical from a standard size sheet. Okay, now it can be saving in the sheet, and then you try to use the sheet for more number of harvesters. We went to a sheet size, and that was less expensive, and to begin with, they saved a lot of dollars per pound. Plus, they utilized the sheet much better. Better raw material cost and less scrap represent a 2-for-1 benefit. Change in the size of the deck sheet reduced the raw material cost by around 60%. It has brought down the cost. The next one was the strengthen the structural support. Now, what was earlier that they had was a circular cross section or a fabricated C channel provided the assembly with the internal structural support. Okay, or it had a C section. Now, the designers decided to use a rectangular steel tube and support the members instead. Now, this saved cost by eliminating the metal forming step and achieved more structural rigidity. Weight reduction was a good consumer benefit. Less effort is required to pull the landing out of the side of the combine, and the lighter machine uses less energy during the operation. Any reduction in weight helps to manage them use the engine horsepower, right? The third one, okay, and the final one was that they replaced the ladder rails. In the concept design, the side rails for the pull-out ladder was made out of round steels. After some investigation, they discovered that the changing the geometry from again round to the rectangular tubes would gain them a structural support and lighter weight, reducing the manufacturing operation required for the mating parts. So you start thinking about what type of cross section which will be much better, and if not for the DFMS software, these things wouldn't have come out. Okay, with the input from their supplier, they also paired 3 mm from the tube length, which allowed 3 sections to be cut to be from the standard length. Now, this is what is very much required, that you bring in the manufacturers, the suppliers and all that, and then try to see that, and a little giving up here and there would try to benefit a lot of things there. Otherwise, if the designer had to do it separately, he would have made it slightly larger, and then it wouldn't have been possible for them to save the from a standard length. Okay, the cost of the harvest of the cost harvest for deer paid off. The original 17-part ladder is now streamlined to 10-part assembly. Okay, and the engineering team beat their original cost by around 7% to the entire landing deck, and they are gearing up for a better usage of the software henceforth. Okay, so what we have seen here is that it is a harvesting machine by John Deere, and how they have used a DFMA software, and then they try to bring down the they try to shorten the maintenance deck, they try to give a higher structural support, and then they also replace the ladder, and they reduce the number of parts there, and thus they have reduced the entire cost that is required for the for making of the part. Thank you. I will meet you once again on another case study. Thank you very much.